Go get him, Elio. Oops, slippy. Are you coming, Pip? Come on, Nux. Hey, Nux. Let's go. What are you eating? Are you eating more seaweed, buddy? Let's go. Where's Miss Daisy May? Oh, there she is. Let's go, Daisy. Let's go. Hi. Hi, Daisy. Hi, Elio. You guys are coming? They're quiet today. I thought they'd have more energy. Guess we pooped them out yesterday.